we should be using the hand drawing to make a hole at this place. Just wait to open a little bit more to be make the soft ink tube easily to throw out. Okay, this should be ready. The next step, we will need to get this waste ink tube already connects the waste ink tank. So we need to move this our ink out, just because this already used the machine. Some of the waste ink should be inside, just to make care. Okay, no ink leaking out. Okay, this should get ready. So we are moving this part out. Okay, so after we move this ink tube out, that we should be get a connector for connect at this place. So we will be needed to do a cut this tube a little bit. So at this, almost at this place, cut it. Then we will use a piece of soft ink tube to connect with the connector to so even we can sit at this place, then we can set up. Make sure this connect without any decline with the ink tube. The nature will be throw the hole out, ink tube out of. So try to install the ink tube out. Before we log in to the place, we need to make sure this ink tube without any incline inside. So we need to double check. Yes, this is correct. So sit a little bit. This will be finished. If you want to taste this install well or not, so you also can be fill some of the liquid on the cup. So the syringe is source the air out. That will make sure without any clunk inside. Okay, this step we're ready to connect the class. So we install the screw back. And also the top piece. Okay, before we're ready to connect the class system, we can connect with the ink tube to the with the ink. Now, all the with the ink will run to with the ink tank. Even get the fully here have the beeping inside. When you hear the sounds, that we need to clean the ink bottle for the with ink. Okay, no matter this ink tube, you can get the short or longer that you as you want. Just only get no clank of the ink tube. Okay.